Hello, here I will introduce our project. It is similar to the educational project you have used before. First, we come to the login page for the system. To log in to the system, users are required to enter their email and password. We specify that the login email needs to a character in the string. If the email isn't in the correct form, the system will notify the email address doesn't match. I will test this function by entering the wrong email form. Notification system is email not validated. I will try log in with the incorrect password later. After that, the notification system is username or password is correct. Here I will log in to the system with the correct email address and password. This is Start interface. Start interface includes tutorial online, student online, tutorial initiatives for 7 days, and student initiative for 7 days. When you click more, you are directed to the tutorial management page. Here you can check tutorial activity. The last time the operations were ever seen, job status, has the tutorial been assigned in the Projecy. If the tutor has been assigned a class, the system will notify in the status column as assigned. If tutor is online, the system displays in the online status in column online status. For the students' management page, their functions and goals are similar. The next page is the link between tutor and student, with the filter functions that confused by the three criteria: number of supports, name, status. Here I perform 3 filter functions. Here I will log into the system with the student account icon. This student username and password will follow the system form. When you log in successfully, the system will display the account holder name. But there aren't any teachers here. because the student is not just associated with the tutor. The student can control help by click the guest head button. Then after that, the staff notification bar will then display a new notification. The contents of the notice is student Anton sending a request for help. I click on the message. The system will take me to the associate space where I link the student to a teacher. Unread notification will be grayed out. This notice has been raised here, so its color is white. These functions help users when they have too many notifications, then they will know what the unread notice is. So now I will log into the tutor account. Here I will enter the email address and password of tutor. Like the student chat interface, we have the name of the user currently displayed. Because the tutor is not yet connected to the student, there is no chat session with the student yet. To link the tutor with student, staff will go to the associate page and select the tutor and student to link. After selecting two objects need to get linked together, we press the Save button to create a link between two objects. Story after the status of student and tutor change to assign. As a request of the customer, each time the student or tutor is granted a link, they will receive an email notification.
Tuyển thành tại đây.
Okay, here I will check the student Gmail Tuấn. We see the notification content of email. So we have complete link function between student and tutor. We refresh the chat interface of student and tutor. We will see the message displayed between two connected objects. And similar to the teacher chat interface, we saw the after refreshing there was a name of student who needed support. After that, tutor and student can chat directly to each other to exchange information. Okay, I will send the message from student Anton to the teacher. So you can see the message is instantly sent to the tutor. During the functional design process, we digitize them to run real time to help students and tutor can interact with each other at any time. In addition, with the chat function, student and tutor can send documents to each other. Okay, here I will remove the function of upload and scanning document. After selecting the upload file, the user will press the buttons with the save button. Then the file will be sent to chat interface. To view or save a changed document, user double-click on the file. The file will then be directed to the user computer. The file has been sent will be saved in the Sales section. User can easily find Sales documents that have not yet been downloaded. Next is a function to schedule a meeting between student and a tutor. With this function, student and tutor can create a meeting appointment. User can choose a date, location, and select attachment. After clicking the save, the notice of the meeting zero will be saved with full information of meeting. This function will be displayed in both the interface of the tutor and student. Okay, next is the average message static function between student and tutor. This feature is so attractive because the system currently has only the link. Now I will create a new link between student and tutor. Because the newly created pair of tutor and student have not yet exchanged messages, the graph is displayed as 0. Finally, the function of updating the number of system login. With this function step can assess the effectiveness of the system with tutor and student objects. To be able to log out the system, you just need to click on the log out button. Okay, thank you for your listening.